In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple calculator app using Claude AI without writing code by using the artifacts feature. By the end, you'll have a working calculator with the core math operations, and you'll see how easy it is to iterate and improve it using natural language. First, open Claude AI in your browser or the desktop app. You'll land on the main workspace where you can chat with Claude and access tools. In the left sidebar, click Artifacts. This is where Claude can generate interactive projects that you can run and test right away. Next, click New Artifact. This starts a fresh workspace for the project. You'll see several categories that help Claude understand what you're building. Click Apps and Websites. This option is designed for interactive interfaces and is perfect for a calculator. A chat prompt will appear, guiding you to describe what you want to create. Use clear, plain English. No code needed. You can mention the purpose, the basic layout you prefer, and any must-have features. The more specific your description, the more accurate the first draft will be. Now ask Claude to build a simple calculator app with basic operations. Specify that you want addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You can also mention that you'd like buttons for digits, a clear function, and an equals button to compute results. Keep it concise but precise so Claude knows exactly what to generate. Press Enter to generate the app. Claude will process your request and assemble the calculator for you. Behind the scenes, it's creating the interface and the logic automatically based on your prompt. Claude will create the calculator as an artifact preview. You'll typically see a live preview where you can interact with the app. Take a moment to look at the layout and check that the buttons and display area appear as expected. Test the calculator directly in the preview by clicking the buttons. Try a few simple operations like 12 plus 7 or 9 divided by 3, and confirm that the results are correct. Try decimals if you plan to use them, and note how the calculator handles clearing entries or chaining multiple operations. If needed, ask Claude to improve or modify the calculator. For example, you can say, add percentage and square root buttons, or request style changes like larger buttons, a darker theme, or a more compact layout. You can also ask it to refine the input handling for better usability. Make your request in plain language and let Claude update the preview until it matches your needs. And that's it, your simple calculator app, created and refined with Claude's Artifacts feature without writing code manually.